So Booking.com has options where you can book stays that are favorable for kids. But sometimes we hosts don't know how to enable and allow kids, especially for people traveling for families. So in today's video, I'll show you how to enable kids are allowed option on Booking.com. So I'll just go and log into my extranet account. Then I'll go to property. Then I'll come down here to policies. Now when here, I'll scroll all the way down. And when you go down, you can see that there is children and extra beds policy. So you can come here and edit. Then you can say, do you allow children? And then just click on yes. And then what ages do you allow? You can here put ages or you can just put any. And then children's rates. You can put a rate for children. Then from here, you can choose your rooms. So I'll choose this option. Then I can say maximum adults 2, then maximum children 3. So I'll first save this and then go and create the child's rates. So let me go back. I need to choose this to that option. So let's just click on save. Then we can come back here and set up the standard rates. So I'll click on setup, then I'll add a rate from age 0 to 17. Then you can add a price if you want to. And then child per night or per child per stay. Just showing you, let me just put $10 child per stay. But you can let the children pay the same things. This is if you want to add the rates. And then I'll click on save. So in my case, I have a rate for children. However, I do not want this rate. So if you want to remove it, you can just click on edit. Then just click on delete this rate and then save and then confirm. So you can also put different rate plans for the children. So you can just click on setup and then you just click current settings. And basically that is it. That is how you can activate options to allow children on Booking.com. And when you go to Booking.com and search for your property, after these changes, you wait for some time for the option to be added. It will take some time to be added to your property. That is all.